Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. In today's class, we will discuss the topic mapping when a function is not expressed in minterms. In a previous discussion of mapping, we suggested that if a function is to be entered on a k-map, then the function must first be expressed as a sum of minterms or a product of maxterms. But as a matter of practice, however, if the function is not expressed in the standard form, then it is not necessary to expand the function into its minterms. Instead, the process of expansion can be done by entering the terms of the function on a k-map. Let us consider a 4-variable function which is given as f a b c d is equal to a bar b bar c bar d bar plus b c bar d plus a bar c bar plus a. We have to minimize this function by using a k-map. To understand this in a better way, we have plotted all the 4 terms separately on 4 different k-maps as shown in the figure A, B, C and D. After plotting all the 4 different functions on 4 different k-maps, we have combined all the 4 into a single k-map as shown in the figure E. Now we will discuss all the 4 terms one by one. Now we find that the first term is A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. Since the first term is in the form of a minterm, so we may enter the first minterm directly on the k-map. We find that the minterm is A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. That is A is 0, B is also 0, C is 0 and D is 0. So we will enter a 1 in this box. Now we will plot the second term in a separate k-map as we have done in figure B. We have plotted the term B C bar D. This second term B C bar D will correspond on the k-map to the location where the value of B is 1, C is 0 and D is equal to 1, and this term is independent of A. So we will enter this term at the location where the value of B is 1, C is 0 and D is 1 for both values of A, that is when A is 0 and also when A is 1. So we will get a 1 in these 2 boxes. Now let us come to this third term. The third term is A bar, C bar. That is, we have to enter this value in the box in which the value of A is 0 and the value of C is 0 for both values of B and D. So here we find that in these 2 boxes, the value of A is 0 and the value of C is also 0. 1 will be entered in the box for both values of B, that is when B is 0 and also when B is 1. Similarly, it will also be entered for both values of D, that is when D is 0 and this D is 1. Now let us move to the fourth term. The fourth term is A. So 1 will be entered in the box wherever the value of A is 1. Since we find that in these 2 boxes the value of A is 1, so we will enter 1 in all the 4 boxes, that is for both values of B, for both values of C and for both values of D. and we will get the K map as shown in this figure D. Now we find that all the 4 terms have been plotted in figure A, figure B, figure C and figure D separately. Now we will combine all the 4 maps together and we will represent all the 4 by a single K map as shown in the figure E, in which we have combined all the 4 K maps into a single K map. So the K map will be as shown in the figure E. Now we will solve this K map. We find that this K map makes a grouping of 8 boxes. So we will combine all these 8 boxes. Again we will combine all these 8 once. So we will get 2 terms, that is A and C bar. So this function will be equal to A plus C bar. So we find that in this way we can minimize a function when the function is not expressed in terms of its minterms. I hope the topic is clear to all of you.